everyone, welcome back to Liz Sews. Today I just wanted to share with you guys what I have on my sewing table, my plans for the month of June. So first off, I have 2 bras planned. I'm going to do a sheer sort of bra in this purple tricot. I don't have anything in my wardrobe that's purple like this, but this color really called to me. It looked really vibrant. And then I also want to do one in this peach tricot. So both of these came from Bra Builders. I do have some peach sort of Victoria's Secret style lace that matches this perfectly that I got from Beware. So I'm probably going to use the lace in addition to this peach. I'm not sure if I'm going to do a sheer bra or an all lace bra with this underneath it. There's so many options. So that's one thing I haven't quite figured out yet. And then the next thing I wanted to do was another Ogden cami. I went a little crazy with Ogden camis last year. Obviously I'm wearing one right now. I made probably about 10, but I have one more that I want to make in this really interesting rayon that came from Minerva Crafts. So let's see if I can get a close up. So it's just a navy, and then it has this like burnt orange sort of red lines running through it with these faces. I just thought they were really interesting. So I think, again, it'll be nice to wear, really easy, fun, quick make to do up. I just thought that this fabric looked really interesting with those faces on it. And then I have one really large pattern, or large project that I'm going to take on this month, and it's going to be part of my Make 9, and I'm going to do Simplicity 8289. I've now decided I'm going to do View B, which is a full-length gown. And what I have to work with is this really gorgeous 100% silk voile that I got from Minerva Crafts. And it's digitally printed, so it has this rather large flower motif on it. And as you can see, it has a really lovely drape to it. So it's going to be full-length skirt. And I think I'm going to use that pattern again for the bodice. And the only thing that I don't have, this is going to be the overlay, and then underneath it I went ahead and purchased from Joann's just this nude lining fabric. So I'm hoping that this lining just sort of disappears. You don't really see it. So you get to still keep this like really light ethereal quality of the silk. I'm a little bit worried about working with this silk. I used a sari a couple years ago maybe to make an Anna dress, and the seams just didn't hold up. So I'm thinking I might need to underline this in a more stable fabric. So maybe I have to underline it with the lining and then do a lining as well. I don't know. If you have any suggestions or tips for how to sew with these like really light flowy fabrics, I'd love to hear them because I am scared to death. But I think this will be a fun project. And, you know, side note, just realizing this now, it's really going to match well with the 2 bras that I was planning on making this month. So I'm really excited to see how this turns out. I hope I can do this fabric justice because I think it would make an absolutely gorgeous gown. You know, the other thing obviously I was thinking about was doing a very Project Runway, you know, just Grecian draped dress. But I have no idea how to drape on a dress form, so I think I'm better off sticking with the pattern than trying to make my own thing, because I haven't necessarily had the best luck of like designing my own dresses in the past. But if you have any other ideas that you think that would work well with this fabric, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you next time. Take care.